This time our video will be on the site passionateitalian.com because it has a special feature that actually YouTube does not support. Surprise, surprise! Just wait and you'll see what I'm talking about. So, this is the player that you will see in the site in passionateitalian.com, and as you can see, there is a bar in the bottom of the window that disappears, but when you move your mouse here, it will appear again. And this little triangle is the play, as you can see, it's the play button. Ecco, here it is, play. When you click here, your video will start playing. And as you can see here, in the green line, there is no dot. It means that the first part is just a conversation. But then there are some dots here. And in these dots, there is something new, something special for you. So let's see what happens. Now I can use the same button just to stop and to play, to pause and to play. So now I'm using it to play. You can use it to pause as well. Okay, let's start. I play here. You will hear my voice talking, and then you will see what I'm talking about and what is the real new thing that it's something new actually in this video. Okay, no more talking, just see. Oh, okay. The question, you haven't heard the question, so you can do something, replay last section. Actually here last section is all the video from the beginning, but I click here, it will go on the beginning, but then I will skip all the first part because it's a surprise. You have to listen this in the video. This is just the tutorial. So now I click replay last section, and every time you will hear the little question which is before. But this time we will just start from the beginning. So I click here, replay last section, replay. And it starts from the beginning. But I want to skip all this and I want to go fast here. E adesso tu. Now you can see the pause button here. Play and then pause. Now there is a question. Pay attention.
Cos'è questo?
Pause. Cos'è questo? What's this? And it's a question. Of course it's a question, and you have to answer to this question. So to answer to this question, just go on. And you will see this little window that appears. You can remember the question, you can see what it is, and then you have to answer. So to answer to the question, just click answer here. And there are some things that you can choose. Now you don't know what it is, put just one, but don't do it without thinking. Just think what the solution may be. If you don't know, you just put one of them. You just guess. But if you know, if you think you know, you have to click the right one. So don't do this without any commitment. Just be focused on this task and try to do it at the best. Do the best you can. Do you remember our quote? We do the best we can. So you have to do the best you can and choose an answer. Never mind if it is not the right one. You won't hear people shouting at you. You won't hear people clapping at you. Just choose the answer that you think is the best. So for example, now you don't know, choose just one. Maybe, I don't know, choose this. And then what have you to do to go on? You have to click this one. Done means you have finished, you have done your work, you have chosen the right answer or the answer you prefer. Click done and the movie will go on. You cannot skip this. You cannot go to the previous or to the next. You just have to do something here because an action is required at this point of the video. It's an interactive video. So this time you have to do something, but it's very easy. Choose the answer without stress. Choose the best you think. And if you don't know, just guess and go on. Nobody will say you anything bad. So you click now done and you go.
Un limone?
So now you heard a question, but if you don't understand actually, or if you don't remember, maybe you were thinking about something else and you don't remember what I said. So you can click now replay last section. Replay.
Un limone?
And you will hear the question again. You can do this as many times as you want.
Un limone?
Okay, this is the question. You can do this as many times as you need. This is something you do to learn and also to have fun. The most important thing is that you have to have fun, so it's boring, just don't do it. If you need it, just do it. And then go to the blue rectangle, to the blue side here, and click here. You find the written question, è un limone? And then you choose. This is true or false question. The other one was multiple choice. Here you have to say only yes or no, sì, no, true, false. True is yes, of course. False is no, of course. You choose one of these, and you can do what you want. It doesn't matter, really. No worries doing this test. This is not for school. This is not for grades. I will not tell you how many mistakes you did. I don't count mistakes. So this is just a test you have to do. It's not a test, it's just a practice. Practice you have to do to enjoy this video and to test if you learn, but just for yourself, not for your teacher. So you choose the answer that you prefer. True means yes, false means no, and then remember, done to go on, because you cannot skip this. If you click here, play, it doesn't play. If you click here, it doesn't go there. If you click fast, it doesn't go fast. You have to follow all the steps. What you have to do, your choice is just click here or here as you prefer, and then to go on, click done. Means go on. Maybe next time I will write go on here. By now I'm uploading, so I won't do it. I won't change anything. If you prefer, instead of done, I will write here go on, which is maybe better, but I will do it maybe next time. So by now you play done and you go
Sì,
on.
È un limone.
Okay, it was
Cos'è questa?
stop. Okay, that's all for this time. Hope you like this new experiment, and please, please, please leave a comment. I really love your comments. I really love connecting with you and knowing your desire or your wishes, your critics. Yes, also your critics. Everything you say is really, really very important for me. So I look forward to listening to your questions, or to reading if you write them, to your questions and to your opinions and thoughts in general. So please learn Italian with passion and leave me a comment. I really crave them. See you soon. Bye bye. That's all for this time.